This is part 2 of the 8-part series, and this is about understanding customer lifetime value. Let's talk about one of the most important concepts in business, something called customer lifetime value, or CLV for short. I would argue this is probably one of the more important numbers that you are not paying enough attention to. The customer lifetime value is the total amount of money a customer will spend with you over their entire relationship with your business. Not just their first purchase, not just this month, but everything from the first day they become a customer until the day they leave. Think of it like this. If you only look at individual transactions, you're seeing only slices of the pie. But if you're looking at customer lifetime value, you're looking at the whole pie. And trust me, the whole pie is a lot more interesting. Here's a simple example to make this concrete. Let's say you're running a software subscription business. Your product costs $20 per month. Now, if a customer stays with you for 5 years, it's 60 months times $20, which equals what, $1,200? But if they churn after 6 months, you get only $120 from that customer. You see that massive difference? That same product, the same price, but one customer is worth 10 times more than the other. The only difference is how long they stuck around. So now here's where churn becomes a villain in the story. Churn is like a timer on every customer relationship. The faster customers leave, the higher your churn rate, the shorter the timer runs, and the less total value you extract from each customer you work, which you have worked so hard to acquire. But it gets even more interesting. The relationship between churn and lifetime value is not linear, it's exponential. What I mean by that is small changes in how long customers stay should create massive changes in the lifetime value. If you can get customers to stay just 3 months longer on average, you might not increase lifetime value by a small amount, you might increase it by 50% or even double it. This is because every additional month a customer stays is almost pure profit. You already paid to acquire them, so each month they stick around adds directly to the total value. Let me give you another way to think about this. Imagine two businesses in the same industry. Business A acquires 100 customers per month, but half of them leave within 6 months. Business B only acquires 80 customers per month, but almost all of them stay for years. So, at first glance, you might think business A is winning because they're getting more customers. Great. But when you calculate the lifetime value, business B is actually generating much more revenue and, more importantly, much more profit. They might have fewer customers at any given moment, but the total value of the customer base is much higher. This is why sophisticated companies obsess over churn and retention. They have done the math. They know that improving retention by even a small amount can be worth more than expensive marketing campaigns to acquire the new customers. Every percentage point improvement in retention translates to significant increases in the total value you get from your customer base. It's not about getting more customers necessarily. It's about keeping the ones you have just a little bit longer. That small change ripples through everything. Next session, we'll talk about the revenue impact of churn. I'll see you in video 3.